Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you excited to fly to the Netherlands in the upcoming month? Oh, coronavirus. Oh, sorry. Have you started packing your bags yet?
If the answer
So sorry.
So if the answer is yes, then you must be already going through the list of things to pack. In this video, we will cover everything which you should pack before moving to a new country, or specifically the Netherlands.
After the coronavirus is over,
Yeah.
that is. And not only that, we will also have very interesting information about the unique device that you can rent here in your initial days to take care of your Wi-Fi problems.
If you would like to know more about this, then keep on watching. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
Okay, we would like you to Google something after this video, not before or not during, after this video. It is a device called Pocket Wi-Fi Amsterdam.
No, don't skip this part.
Don't
Hold
try.
on. Imagine your initial days here. Without any local SIM card, you won't have a constant internet connection with
Yeah.
you.
Of course, I mean, you can use public Wi-Fis, but that would mean giving them access to your device, and that means making yourself vulnerable to those bad people out there.
With a Pocket Wi-Fi Amsterdam, you can rent a device that acts as a pocket Wi-Fi that gives you unlimited 4G coverage everywhere.
Unlimited data and 4G coverage everywhere, guys, and you can order it in advance and it will be delivered to you anywhere in the Netherlands, or you can pick it up from the Schiphol airport as soon as you land here. Schiphol airport, that is the Amsterdam airport.
Thus, it is the easiest way to get yourself a constant and reliable internet connection in your initial days here. You can return the device once you have your own stable connection.
To check out their prices, follow the link in the description box, and to get a 15% discount, use the code SPARKLETOGETHER during checkout.
Packing your bags can be tedious. The packing process for relocation can be stressful. Don't worry. We have been there, we understand the struggle.
Oh,
Many of the
yeah.
items you will need will be available here.
Do you remember the 4 big bags that we
Yeah.
packed? But some of them, some items can be challenging to find or very costly to buy. So we are here to help you through the daunting task of packing. We have created a printable checklist for you so that you pack all the necessary things and you don't forget anything.
You
So,
can download it from our blog,
Yeah.
the link to which in the description box below. So without any further ado, let's dive into the good stuff.
And check out our blog. It has good checklist over there. And subscribe to our channel.
First and the most important, documents. Before packing anything else, make sure you have your travel documents ready. Keep soft copies of all the travel documents on your phone or Google Drive so that you can access them easily.
Additionally, keep 4 to 5 hard copies of all the documents with you for your admission letter, your passport. So you will need these copies once you land here in the Netherlands. You could need these copies when you're registering at the municipality, or your landlord may ask you a copy of your passport when you are moving into the apartment. Thus, it is good to have these hard copies handy for such situations. Or,
Otherwise,
yeah.
you will have to take an unnecessary trip around the city merely to take a printout. Along with your travel documents, make sure you have your passport size photographs. Again, you never know when you need them, hence pack a few copies.
And unlike India, you will not find
Printout
printer
shops.
shops or a passport photo shops here that easily. Okay, now medicines. Before we go ahead, keep in mind that we have listed all the items in the checklist we have created. We may not talk about every individual item in the video, but it will be present in the checklist. Okay, now enough with the self-promotion. Let's continue.
It is always a good idea to play safe when it comes to medicines.
Not safe.
Moving to a new country is not a good time to test your health. If you are on a specific medication, make sure you pack as large a quantity as possible, but please also pack the doctor's prescription along with the medicines and keep a copy with you. Your medicines might get discarded by the airport authorities if the medicines is not common or over the counter, or if the medicine is not attached to a prescription.
Yeah, so for example, for me, even we packed a lot of medicines with us, but they were discarded. Like, we did not find them in our bags because we did not have prescription for those. We only found those medicines for which we had prescriptions. Along with this, it is always a good idea to keep a basic first aid kit with you, and you can find most of the OTC medicines like paracetamol or ibuprofens here in the supermarkets too.
Food and utensils. People must have told you to pack utensils like pressure cooker or pans, but please don't do that. If you are moving to a furnished apartment, then check the inventory list they are providing, because in most cases you will get almost everything you need to start cooking, but you won't get utensils like a pressure cooker, which you can easily buy from Amazon.
Yeah, so we bought an Amazon Basics pressure cooker.
Yeah.
It was like 15 or 20
I think,
euros.
yeah,
So
something like
one-time
that.
investment works a long time. So don't waste your baggage limit on these things. And same goes for food. We have seen so many people who carry lentils and rice from India, which is unnecessary. All of these essential food items are readily available in the not local, big supermarkets here, but items which are local to your countries. Like we are Indians, like spices, teas, and other specific things. You can easily, Google some Indian stores or Chinese stores or Thai stores or any local country stores near you, and you'll find it.
We would recommend you to bring only spices and few ready-to-eat packets, which would be helpful in first few weeks. Use your baggage space for things like things that are difficult to find here, and which are like tea strainer. We did not
Indian
find any.
tea strainers.
Yeah. Hence, please use the checklist which we have created, so you don't forget anything behind.
Yeah, it's a very funny story. For example, we drink different kind of tea. We call it chai,
Yeah.
and you strain it differently. Like for example, the tea strainers that other people use, the one that has a circle, and you
For
put
green
tea, and
teas,
then
basically, tea.
you Indians cannot use that tea strainer, and that one stupid plastic tea strainer, we have never found it in the Netherlands, and the one that we found here are so costly, and we miss our tea so much. It's a sad story, but yeah, don't forget the tea strainer.
Even on Amazon, it's too expensive. It's like 10 or 15 euros for a set of 3.
Yeah, no, set of one. The one tea strainer was like
Yeah.
10 euros or something. So
Yeah, please don't forget it.
your tea strainer. Electronics. I think we don't need to tell you much in this category. You're probably very much accustomed to carrying your electronic gadgets with you. So yeah.
Make sure you are bringing a universal adapter and charger for all your devices. For men out there, if you want to save on your haircuts, don't forget to bring a trimmer or hair clipper with you.
For ladies, an epilator is always a good option if you want to save your parlor expenses. You know what I mean. In our previous videos, we have talked about these expenses at length. So go out there and check or click here.
Clothes. Again, check out the previous video where we explained why it is a bad idea to bring your winter wear from your native country. You can carry some jumpers or thermals, but bringing a huge jacket is equal to wasting precious baggage space.
Yeah, and paying extra for your extra baggage. Shoes. Girls, a piece of very sad news. You will have to give up on your dreams of wearing heels here, because you have to walk all day, every day. A good pair of comfortable shoes or flats are recommended. You can wear your heels, small heels, but make sure to have a pair of flats with you in case you have to walk a lot, and your feet, they decide to kill you or something. And men, enjoy your shoes. You don't have to change a thing.
As mentioned in our previous videos, you can shop for items like soap, shampoos, lotions, skincare from shops like Action, Krudwad, etc. because they offer huge discounts. But for your initial days, you should bring travel-sized pack of everything that you need. Again, check out our blog for the complete checklist.
And don't forget to order that pocket Wi-Fi for a very secure, reliable and high-speed internet before landing here. We hope that this video and our blog will turn your will turn you into a precise ninja packer and will help you keep your worries at bay whenever the corona is over, of course.
Don't forget to share this video with your friend and subscribe to our channel. See you next time, guys. Bye.